Welcome to Grow My Savings. Today, we're talking about something every successful investor has, some clear, realistic financial goals. Because here's the truth, most people don't fail because they're bad with money, they fail because their goals are vague. They say things like, I want to be rich, or I want to save more, but they never define how much, by when, or why. So in this episode, we'll break down how to set financial goals that actually work. Goals that keep you motivated, measurable, and achievable. Before you start crunching numbers, ask yourself why you're saving or investing. Is it for a home, financial freedom, retirement, or maybe just peace of mind? Your why gives purpose to your plan, and that emotional connection keeps you going when saving feels slow or boring. So write down what really matters to you, because when your goals are connected to something meaningful, you're far more likely to stick with them. To make your goals actually work, use the SMART framework. Specific. Say, I'll save $200 per month, not I'll save money. Measurable. You can track it and see progress. Achievable. Challenge yourself, but keep it realistic. Relevant. It should align with your lifestyle and priorities. Time-bound. Set a clear deadline. For example, I'll reach $2,000 by December. SMART goals turn big dreams into daily actions, and that's where real results happen. Think of your goals as a roadmap. Short term, 0 to 2 years. Build an emergency fund, pay off small debts, start investing. Midterm, 3 to 5 years. Save for a down payment, upgrade your skills, grow your portfolio. Long term, 10 plus years. Retirement, financial independence, or creating generational wealth. This breakdown helps you stay balanced, enjoying progress now while still building your future. Setting goals is only half the work. The rest is tracking and adjusting. Review your progress every few months. If something isn't working, tweak your plan, not your dream, and don't forget to celebrate milestones. Hit your first $1,000 saved, that's a win. Small victories create momentum, and momentum builds wealth, because progress, not perfection, is what keeps you moving forward. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. Now that you know how to set goals that actually work, it's time to make your money follow a plan. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. Now that you know how to set goals that actually work, it's time to make your money follow a plan.